Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a very fun, a very quirky Myntra haul for dresses. So I recently have been doing a lot of trips, and for that I have ordered a lot of vacation mid-size friendly dresses. Some of these are very affordable. It is starting from 300 rupees and it is going up to just 800 rupees. So it's between 300 rupees to 800 rupees. All of these dresses are, let me confess, I am a dress girl, okay? You give me dresses and I can live in them. In no particular order, I'll show you and I'll tell you how I feel about those dresses and we can see how it looks on me. So let's get started. The first one is this one. As I've mentioned, the material of this is not the best, but it does not feel so itchy. मतलब ये polyester है, I'm not gonna lie. This is not cotton. If this was cotton, this would be the best dress, but it's not. इसकी puffed sleeves हैं and back पे you need to have a tie down situation जो आप पीछे टाई करोगे इसको. एंड इट इज़ अ नी लेंथ ड्रेस एंड इट लुक्स सो नाइस. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. जितना ये यहाँ पे लग रहा है उससे अच्छा लगता है. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर 296 रुपीज़. दिस इज़ बाय द ब्रांड ड्रेसबेरी, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. लिखा नहीं है इस पर. फॉर 300 रुपीज़ जो क्वालिटी एंड जो डिज़ाइन वो दे रहे हैं, इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. द नेक्स्ट वन वी हैव इज़ द मोस्ट मॉडेस्ट knee length dress I've ever seen in style. Okay, so this is the dress. The neck is very modest. यहाँ से neck होता है. The sleeves are puff sleeves and these are not puff sleeves जो नीचे आ जाएगी या फिर स्ट्रेट लगेगी. These are puff sleeves क्योंकि इसके अंदर ऐसा स्टिचिंग करा है कि ये ऐसे ही स्टे करेगा. And this will look puffed always. So that is what I liked about it, the designing part. पीछे एक closure है with the button so that it goes through your face. And it is also a knee length dress. It's a A-line dress. And this is also by Dressberry. And this was for 349 rupees. और मैंने जिस दिन ऑर्डर किया ये उसी दिन ये डिलीवर हो गया था. आई थिंक मिंत्रा हैव स्टार्टेड सम मिंत्रा अर्जेंट डिलीवरी टाइप सर्विस. ब्लिंकिट और ज़ेप्टो ने सबको बिगाड़ दिया है, तो मिंत्रा ने भी ये शुरू कर दिया है. सो yes, the fabric of this is very soft, better than the previous one for sure. This is also polyester, not cotton, but the shine you get from the polyester here is so good. So I am gonna keep it. The next one we have is pink dress, which is so pretty, so pretty. The print on it is so pretty. The fabric is cotton, pure cotton. It's very comfortable क्योंकि इसकी sleeves बहुत ज़्यादा loose है. So I am very conscious of my shoulders and arms. So I do not wear things like sleeveless. So this is the perfect dress for me. I'm okay if it is a little shorter. ये थोड़ा सा short है, नी को टच नहीं करता है, but it looks so nice. इसका यहाँ से डिटेलिंग है जहाँ पे ये cinch होता है. It is elasticated. So यहाँ पे ये cinch हो रहा है and इट्स सो नाइस. बस इसमें अगर एक पॉकेट हो जाता तो ये बेस्ट ड्रेस होता. सिंस द फैब्रिक ऑफ दिस इज़ वेरी प्रीमियम, द प्राइस इज़ अ बिट प्रीमियम एंड द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव इन द होल हॉल. दिस इज़ फॉर 815 रुपीज़. आई गॉट इट फॉर 815. आई डोंट नो, इनके प्राइजेस थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होते हैं, सो यू कैन चेक इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. आई एम इन द साइज लार्ज. Saisfaraz is the brand and it's so nice. Then we have a very nice dress. This is also in cotton. This is an Indian brand. I'm not sure कि ये सारा Indian brand है या नहीं, but this is popularly a Indian brand जिसका नाम है Tavi. I'm in the size large for this. I love the color. This is rustic orange or brown color, which looks so nice on my skin. I think there is a detailing done on the sleeves, which is very cute, very pretty, and that the exact detail is in the end of the dress as well. That there is a cinch on the waist, which is very popular these days. So यहाँ से cinch है, which gives a very good flare in the side, and the material, as I said, is cotton, and it's not the artificial cotton that you get nowadays. It's khadi cotton. It feels like khadi cotton to me, and it's so nice. The quality that you get for the price for this dress is 603 rupees, which is 600 rupees, and it's so nice. The detailing on the sleeves, the detailing in the end of the dress, the cinching, the material, and the brand. So the brand also makes very urbanized urban dresses in Indian prints, and the portfolio of their products is so nice. So I totally recommend this brand. I like their other dresses as well, which I am planning to order, but for me this one is a very big thumbs up. The next one we have is very special to me. I wore this on a very special day, which was my birthday. It's a party kind of a dress. The material of this is between cotton and polyester, so it is a mix of both, and because of that it is getting a hold of the flare, so it looks like a line, a very flary dress, and it has a balloon sleeves, puff sleeves. So I love puff sleeves. I don't know why. So I have ordered this. This is by the brand Street 9, and I am in the size L. And guys, and it has pockets. It has pockets on both the sides, and it looks very nice. It is like princess vibe in the black out. I really like it. This is a very big thumbs up from me, and it is also not very expensive right now. I checked the price. It's 649 rupees, which is not bad for this dress. The last and the most favorite of mine, my first sleeveless dress, guys. I do not wear sleeveless, okay? I am very conscious of my arms. I'm very very conscious of my shoulders, because I'm a mid-sized girl. This one right here is what I fell in love with it, okay? So it has the balloon effect on the sides, as you can see, and it has that V design that you get. So it is a very premium design, which the brand has replicated. The brand is, by the way, Says Faraz again. The Myntra brands are doing great. I loved. So recently I have been loving cotton dresses, and this is also pure cotton. It has the back of elasticated back, so it cinches you, and then the balloon effect falls in, and then the V effect between those balloon effect. Brilliant details that they have added and incorporated in the very pretty, very trendy blue color. So I love it, and this was for 739 rupees. This was not very expensive, but I think it's worth it. It looks very expensive, I can say that. So a very 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 big thumbs up from me. This is one of my favorite dresses I have ever worn. I went to Goa और मैंने तब ये पहना था, and it was so nice. So I totally recommend this. Last thing is the skirt I'm wearing. I'll put a picture here. The skirt was for 644, and the best thing I have ever seen in the shorts categories, the skirts nowadays. so you can wear the short but it would look like a skirt. It's so nice, so I totally recommend that. So we came to the end of this video. This was all I had purchased in the last few orders that I have done in Myntra. Please let me know if you like these kind of videos. I can make more of it. And this is my birthday today. I am in Pushkar. Make sure to add this emoji if you are still watching this video. That's it. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment down below all the good things, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.